Camp Seagull, I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, Camp Seagull, I'm Alyssa Lurie.
Hi, Camp Seagull, I'm Kim Dovitz.
Hi, Camp Seagull, I'm Jody Max.
Hi, Camp Seagull, I'm Jamie White.
Hi, Camp Seagull, I'm Carly Stone.
Hi, everyone, I'm Stacey Eckelman. I'm Amy Weber.
G4 is the best. G4. Courtney Bassov. Hannah Carves. Alexis Steele.
Rosie Rappaport.
Laura Solomon.
Margot Berwick.
Rachel Colley.
Aaron Kaufman.
Dana Rappaport.
Nicole Fink.
Adam Adler.
We love you, Seagull. This rules.
Lauren. Lindsay.
Jack, buddy, door. Hold on. Food truck.
Not walking video camera. This is the second time I've been on this video camera, like 8 years.
Oh my God.
Hi, everyone!
Hey.
Here.
Same tooth.
Hi, this is the continuation of the yearbook, and now we have G3. I'm Lisa, their counselor.
I'm Julie.
I'm Lauren.
I'm Lindsay. She's Sarah. I'm Lane. I'm Sarah.
And we love Camp Seagull.
Yay!
Very good.
Sarah.
Hi.
We've been working really hard for 3 weeks, and it's a very short time to put a whole play together, and they've all done a really good job, and I'm really proud of all of them. So I hope you guys enjoy the show, and I think that's it. So, get ready.
After all, science has shown that a person's character isn't really established until he's at least 5 years old.
But I am 5. I'm more than 5.
Oh, well, that's the way it goes.
The only thing wrong with certain characteristics you may have observed regarding our personality. Would you try to say as A, forceful, B, pleasing, or C, identical? Which would that be, child? A, B, or C? Forceful, pleasing, or identical, child?
Well, I'd have to say forceful because we got it.
And I'm also scared to death of
Hi, I'm Jody Max.
Hi, I'm Kim Dovitz. Hi, I'm Lisa Block. Hi, I'm Carly Stone.
Hi, I'm Comer Beerwell.
Hi, I'm Jamie White.
Hi, I'm Kelman.
I'm Laura Solomon.
Hi, I'm Becky Fiber. Hi, Camp Seagull. Hi, Camp Seagull. Camp Seagull. Hi, I'm Lindsay. Hi, I'm Jody Brown. Hi, I'm Randy Davis. Hi, I'm Lindsay Glass. Hi, I'm Lindsay Fletcher. Hi, I'm Brooke Black. Hi, I'm
And we're G2.
We love Camp Seagull! Yeah, we love Camp Seagull. Hi. Hi, I'm Erica Goldberg. Samantha Metzger. Hi, I'm Ashley Simon. Hi, I'm Lauren Schubiner. Hi, I'm Laura David. Hi, I'm Nicole Goldman. And we're from Camp Seagull.
And we're Stephanie Lickman.
We are at Camp Seagull, and we like to play the weather, but we don't know what it is. The best cabin in the world.
The best cabin ever, right?
We do a lot of spike.
Hi, I'm Julie. This is G7.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Okay. I'm Sarah Rudin.
Laura Rubenstein.
Melanie Schlesinger.
Jordan Chapman. Gail Fink. Nicole Singer. And Julie Cooperson. And I'm Robin, the other counselor. And we really like camp.
We love it here.
We're gonna miss it. The friends are great.
Hi. Hi, Jack.
Camp's great.
Hello.
I'm Liz.
I'm Elise. Melissa. Dana.
Lauren.
Hey, Sarah.
This is Stacy. A great counselor.
This is cabin G.
G9.
It's a great cabin. It's a beautiful day.
Nick.
I'm Nick.
I'm Trevor. I'm Jarrett.
Hi, I'm Jeff.
I'm Evan.
I'm Kevin.
I'm David.
I'm Mitchell. I'm Josh.
I'm Andy.
Hi, I'm Brad. I like to hip up my back.
Hi, I'm Aaron. Hey, look, a deer! A deer! A deer!
Yeah.
Josh. Brian. Zach. Noah.
Adam.
Sally.
I'm Aaron.
I'm Chris. And there's our mascot, Robo. This is RoboCop. RoboCop.
For the 2-week session.
Hi! Hi! I'm Max! Hi, Max! Hi, everybody! Hi, I'm John! No! Pete Dan!
Jeff, Dan. All right, John, stand.
Yeah! Woo! Disco's still in, guys!
Hi, I'm Chad Bishop.
I'm Owen Rosen.
Jeff Cluck.
Ryan Cooper Smith, camp's great.
Todd Bodisek.
Ted James.
Sean Barrett.
Dave Katz.
Bobby Lawson. Loki
Brad Kaplan. Nice to meet you.
John Stillman. We're proud to be
And we make up B7, the oldest cabin
proud to be the
And they
oldest
sleep
boys
every day.
cabin.
We're about to kick out. Talk about him, man.
Mommy.
I see some good-looking costumes out there. Everyone ready to know that's a big deal? Yeah! All right, let me explain how it works. Fine costume. Let me explain how it works. What's going to happen is, I'm going to either ask you, you're going to come up, we're going to have some pricing games, some dance contests, some poetry readings, we're going to do some sing-alongs, some better Canadian and some trivia questions, and you're going to try and get prizes. And how it works is, you can try and trade your prizes and get better and bigger prizes. So we're going to get things underway right now. I'm going to ask in the audience, who has a battery?
I do!
Who has a battery? You and you. All come on down. Everyone with a battery, come on down. You stand here, you stand here, and you stand. I love it. Okay, we're going to open up the curtains now, so we look at the first item up for bid. Oh, by the way, sorry I forgot to introduce my fine-looking hostess. This is Carol Merrill.
It's a blue baseball hat, fresh from Arizona.
Okay, we're going to start off the bidding with Carly Shulman. Try and bid. The closest person to the price of the hat will win. Carly, your bid on the hat, what do you think it costs? Retail price, without tax, in America. $20. Mr. Bradman? $13.50. And John?
$11.95.
$11.95. Matt? What's that?
$17.99. Air traffic. You're our winner.
All right, Mr. Trackman, I have for you one Jolly Ranchers, cherry. Now you can take that, go sit down and enjoy the rest of the evening program. But because this is Let's Make a Deal, we're going to give you a chance to choose what's behind box 1, 2, or 3, and you can give me back the Jolly Rancher. He's going to get back the Jolly Rancher, everybody! All right, Mr. Trackman, choose your box.
I juiced them.
You're supposed to be sharing with Yates.
No whipping, guys.
You kind of have some bad ones, too, though.
Just throwing no whipping.
Kinda.
You get in here, you can't get out of here.
There ain't no law on the cherry field.
We'll find it.
There ain't no law.
Cherries. 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 Cherry throwing.
Whip them up, yeah. Everyone, 1, 2, 3, whip.
Yeah, everyone. Sam, you want to cherry pick with us? No, she doesn't.
Having fun, Kevin?
This is a cherry that I just picked off a tree. It's about 3 trees down. Not many people know about it. Actually, Jeff showed it to me. And I went up like this, Well, not that one. Maybe this one. And picked it like that. See how much smaller it is?
Hi, Jeff. Cherry picking. Cherry picking is awesome. That's the shooter. How many we got? Sammy. How many we got?
Oh, you got a lot, Sam.
Yeah, where is he? Why can't we have cherry fights? Why can't we have cherry fights?
Law? You know law. Gold Rush. You're the law.
G-Mac has still points right
Is this one open? Yeah. You two over here.
Guys.
This is like one of the most Okay, fine. Sister always was like, oh my god, this is a that's a great place for your band. No, best place you can stay on a beach.
You doing something?
No, like,
Maybe probably not just. You must have I don't
Oh, Pete, you're scaring me.
Hi, we're at Wilderness State Park at the general store. It's a great trip. Just went swimming in Lake Michigan.
Jack!
Let us talk in it.
Jack, be nimble! Jack, be quick! Jack, jump over the gate!
Hi.
Hello! Jack! Hello, the Liberty!
Jack, he's our man. If he can do it, he's Peter Pan. Yeah.
Ted, Jack! Robbie Lowe!
Let's go, Jack.
Let's go, Jack! Dude, Jack!
Hi. Savvy. You don't have enough together. Yes, you do. What time is it?
Why, him?
Because there's water in the strawberry. This is watermelon. Here. This is watermelon.
Be nimble, Jack. Right. Be nimble, Jack. Be quick. Jack.
Just keep walking on the beach.
Everybody who's not retarded.
Like, we're just sunshine. Look at.
We just walked 2 whole miles.
2 whole miles.
We're on this camping trip, and it was burning hot out now. It's like not even fair because not.
Because you just we went to state park.
Here's
Bob, how'd you sleep?
future lawyer. I dare you.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Good morning. Good morning.
Bill.
Hi, Bill. Bill, we had a great camping trip. Should have been here.
That is what is that?
Watch your language.
A fire. But it's not exactly
Stupid,
working.
we can't.
And she doesn't know how to play.
Hi, Bill. You're having cheaper? No. Hi,
Most people don't like when you do their private stuff. Now here's Robbie Lawson in Singapore.
We're sick. I have to go home. Where's Brad? If I was not a camper, that's where I would be. If I was not a camper, and a beltsman I would be. And if you pass me by, this would be my cry. Crazy snack. Where's Brad? If I were not a camper, that's where I would be. If I were not a camper.
Flex. Flex.
Okay.
Well, next up is juice.
Off man.
Shampoo man. Everybody surfs up. You should buy surfboard. I paid for it. You didn't. Okay, see ya, man. Everybody has to have this flannel. This is the ultimate best flannel. I wear it every day. Never gets dirty, no stains. The best flannel. Everyone should buy it. This is lanyard. Lanyard's my life. I never stopped doing lanyard. I love lanyard. Like I said before, lanyard's my life. This is a cotton square. You use it to wipe your face off. And it's really soft. This is an envelope. It is.
That was one.
This is an energizing battery. I love the blaze. It keeps on going and going. This is a Camp Seagull jacket. It is my favorite jacket in the world because I've been to Camp Seagull for a long time. This is my hair dryer. I've been using it 11 years. It works wonderful.
Yeah, sure.
This is the wind chest. It is cool.
I hope you all enjoy it. My brother's out here tonight. For a thing called Skeeter Water Feeder. There are gifts we have that we would like to share. And it starts with the greatest gift of all. We can't go on out the U.S. map, 'cause it tells us where people play and dance.
I need more guys.
Alex, you're not doing much better.
Okay, I have to,
No, that's not very smart. It's just gonna get even more messed up.
Okay, who's next?
I am.
Alright, learn up.
Up! You keep spells up. Get up. Can't. No, just kidding.
Okay, ready?
Look! Whoa! Okay, Kevin. Rachel!
Down first.
I think I made a new kind of hair.
The dirty one?
Okay, sorry.
I think we need brushes. Tie-dyes are amazing. That is Vicky Palachicchio's tie-dye. It's mine! I've never seen anyone do such a good tie-dye in all my 5 years here at Seagull. This is my tie-dye. And it's my first. It's the best tie-dye I've ever made. I might give it to Ariel. And where's Leah's? Which one?
It's that one. This one.
This one's Leah's. It's the ugly one. But I've made an uglier one though.
That was my first shirt. I'm so excited.
Tie-dye is so much fun.
I'm having fun. Yeah.
I'm waiting for more tie-dyes to come,
Look,
but
my
it's a lot
fins
of
look
fun.
like a duck.
I can't wait to tie-dye another shirt. This is
Really cool. Yeah, you know my
See,
tie-dye was
these are
really
gonna look
cool.
really funny looking.
Hi Matt, we're playing, Matt. Oh, I think I just insulted you, calling you Matt. Because we hate Matt.
Hi.
Hi, Jay.
Rummy Cube, Camp Seagull, Rummy Cube.
Camp Seagull.
And right now,
My turn.
I have a bad hand.
Right now, I think I'm gonna do something very good.
It's my game. Half the CPA accountants are favored in the numbers game.
After G3 killed off Jason Todd, Tim from this. Let's get to Adventures Robin, right? Getting caught in a gamma bomb blast in 1989 turned him from green to gray and boosted his intelligence. Amy. Oh, right.
I'll take word origins.
That's command. Amy.
What is vermin?
Vermin is right.
Word origins for 400, please.
From the Latin for hunger. It's a period when food is extremely scarce.
I did plan that.
Amy.
What is famine?
Hi. My name is Mr. I don't know, whatever my name is.
Hi, my name is Adam.
Hi, my name is Adam Bishop. Hi, my name is Paul. I like to drive a bike. And my name is Andrew Choice.
Hi, my name is Jeff.
Nice hair.
My name is Neil Snitz.
My name is Tony.
I'm Colin.
Hi, my name is No. Hi, my name is Fred. Hi, my name is Miss Ray.
This is our tater
Hi,
tot.
my name is Anatoly.
This is our tater tot.
Watch Andrew eat it. This is B4.
This is B4. My name is Miss. Hi. Hi, we're B6.
Jeff.
Noah.
Heather.
Sky.
Aaron and Rambo.
Mitchell.
Hi. Guys, I'm John.
B6.
B6.
Hi,
Max,
Max ate
wait.
40.
Max ate 41 chicken nuggets yesterday and
Yeah.
then threw up.
He broke the record.
Noah's. Hi. Hi, I'm Kylie Shulman. Hi, I'm Hannah Blue Hi, I'm Denise. Hi, Hi, Jack. I'm Melissa Lutz. Hi.
Say your name. Don't want to forget you.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Let's sing our Hi. We like
We're
you, Seagull.
G4. Couldn't be prouder. If you can hear us, shout a little louder. We're G4. Couldn't be prouder. If you can hear us,
My name's Lynn. My name's Lauren. My name is Lana. My name is Ola. My name is Amy. My name is Lindsay. My name is Sarah.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
I'm Amy. And I'm Robin, and we're the counselors of G3.
Bye. 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 Hi. 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 Hi, my name is Diana. Maya.
I'm Stephanie Lichten.
I'm Emily Cohen.
This is Jibber. We're from G3. G5.
Hi, my name is Yana. Hi, my name is Manuela. My name is Cal. Hi, my name is Dana. Hi, my name is Laura. My name is Elena. Hold on. Hi, I'm Karen. Cam's really great. I'm Mel. I'm having so much fun.
I'm Lindsay. Hi, Ariel.
Hi, I'm Stacy.
I'm Stacy too.
I'm Leah. I'm having fun.
I'm Vicky.
I'm Lisa.
And we're the counselors of G9.
And we're G9.
We're having fun.
We're having so much fun at camp.
Me? My name is Arthur Glantz.
Go on, Jake.
My name's Jacob Bishop. My name's Alex Grossinger. Hi, my name's Kevin Albert. My name is Diane. My name is Josh Roberts. My name is Adam Robbins.
I'm John Stillman, the counselor of B3.
I'm Julian, the spiritual leader and CA of Noble Cabinet B3.
Brad Kaplan, the other counselor. Very happy to be here.
Yeah, we're happy.
Hi, I'm Michael Savvy.
Dave Katz.
Robbie Lawson.
Ryan Cooper Smith.
I'm Todd. Budasek.
Owen Rosen.
Chad Bishop.
Kevin Weingarten.
B7. Third session.
B7.
Spike's not
The
here.
oldest and wisest
Spike
cabin.
and David's not here, but it's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Hi, Jay.
We're the oldest and wisest cabin.
Back, and that team, if they answered on a double dare, gets 75 points. And if you win the physical challenge, you get 100 points. If you don't win the physical challenge, the other team gets the 100 points. In the second round, the points are doubled. Questions are worth 50, dares are worth 100, double dares 150, and physical challenge is worth 200.
Paddle on the right side. The person in the stern controls the boat, okay? And we're not going to go over the J stroke right now, but the person in the back has all the power. That's why the person in the bow and the middle paddle on an opposite side. You never want anybody to paddle all of you on the same side and keep switching sides back and forth, okay? Next one.
Jack. Jack, please. Jack.
Yes, all that, thanks.
Please turn it off.
Great, thank you.
For one.
What, pre-made?
How to do, how to do Jack like everybody else does.
I mean, I can make these?
Oh, yeah.
You ever going to Twilight to Dairy Queen? Stephanie and I are both
Are you you want to do me a favor? Hand out Dale.
And this feeling is faded as magic. Bobby thumbed a diesel down just before it rained. They rode us all the way to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon and it's not dirty red bandana. I was playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. Windshield wipers slapping times, holding Bobby's standing man. We sang every song that Javi knew. Freedom is just another word for nothing left to lose.
Rise, monkey, that monkey, monkey. Rise, monkey, junkie, that monkey, monkey. Rise, monkey, here's how you feel. Down, up, down. Castle brothers, watch what rise, monkey, that monkey, monkey. Rise, monkey, junkie, that monkey, monkey.
You guys ready? I need more standing than that.
You gon' bring me flowers, and you don't sing me love songs. But it's good for you, and you're feeling.
You know what we wanna do. Straight down the Humboldt Road to the heart of Kathmandu. Pump up to 7-Eleven, North County and Roman Base. Then we got to Kathmandu, on Napoleon's oldest place. Up on Mount Everest, we married 2 or 3 women. It varies, we don't speak a
Hey, Blake.
Hey, Blake. Hey.
Olympic Day, the time has come. A runner, a swimmer, we're the Philippines. Makes no difference, but we're gonna win. We are the Filipinos. Living in the highlands, trying to get our fishing done. We eat rice. Isn't it nice?
You will follow him, boys. He's going to lead you around the entire path. It's going to be about a 2.5-minute run. So if you want to pace yourself, that's fine. Listen to me, girls.
Cameroon, Philippines.
Another shoe has to be tied.
Yeah, Junior! Come on! Come on, Lord! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Yes!
Blue, gray, orange.
Beats Matt record, almost.
You have to stay on the side. Where's Jack? Where's Jack?
How do you feel about camp this year?
It's good.
Nice shirt.
Thank you.
What team are you on?
Philippines.
Okay, thanks, Sarge. Okay. She's about to jump.
Erica, you ready?